Welcome to Rescue a Reef. Are you ready to dive in on a citizen science expedition? Before we hit the water, let's tune in to the pre-expedition briefing.
But I want to start this short story with kind of the why. Like, why do we really do this work? And it's because of coral reefs and how an important ecosystem they really are. So I think many understand the beauty, the intrinsic value of corals. You know, they're called the rainforest of the sea, teeming with life, colors, biodiversity. But that's just really one component of what makes them so important.
Unfortunately, these reefs are facing unprecedented levels of decline. Both natural and human stressors are damaging these ecosystems at an alarming rate. At Rescue a Reef, we're on a mission to restore them through reef restoration. Today, we're on an expedition to outplant corals with our citizen scientists. Our first stop is the underwater coral nursery. The nursery is where we grow and propagate our corals until it's time to plant them onto the reef. We grow our corals on tree structures that are suspended in the water column. The citizen scientists will help us clean the trees until it's time to collect the corals for outplanting. Next, it's time for collection. To start the dive, our team will demonstrate the best method for fragmenting the corals before handing the tools to the citizen scientists. The corals collected by the dive team will be outplanted at the restoration site. Now, it's time to head back to the boat and prepare the coral cookies. Snorkelers will have the opportunity to assemble coral cookies. These bases each hold 3 small coral fragments that were collected by the divers in the nursery. It's time to visit the restoration site. The citizen scientists will work alongside our team to use cement and outplant the corals collected at the nursery. This allows us to revitalize our local reefs by restoring species facing extreme decline. If you look down at our restoration site, you'll see a variety of previous coral outplants, ranging from freshly planted to several months old. As these fragments grow, they'll contribute to reef structure and biodiversity, helping restore the coral reef ecosystem. If you're interested in diving in with our team, visit the Rescue a Reef website to sign up for our email list. This is where we share updates and information about upcoming citizen science opportunities.